All right, everyone, welcome back. We'll do a quick sound demo of the new JBL's Studio 630s. Beautiful speaker, just nice speakers to look at. Look at those, they look pretty hefty. Kind of, I say, a manly speaker, you know? They look tough. Yes, they do. Look at that. Beautiful, very well built. Solid. And they sound solid too. Anyways, let's do this real quick. Quick sound demo. I'm gonna use a track that has good drums in it by Steve Smith. Drum stop no good. And here we go. There you go. I can say it's awesome, kick ass. These speakers, imagine just out the box, they sound amazing. Great detail, good bass, even though I'm running sub with it, but the mid bass sounds awesome. JBL, once again, always making good speakers. No wonder they love them so much in Asia. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy it.